Welcome
to the
Thunderdome.
What's going on, guys? In this one, putting this budget seat in the Budget E46. It's an NRG Innovations something or other seat. It's like $160 or $180, which is like dumb cheap for a seat.
And it fits a 38 waist.
It's nice. It's like, it's nice. The pads are removable. I don't know why you'd want to remove them, but I mean, it's nice. It's not bad at all. It looks just like Zach's Sparko. Like we put them side by side, and they kind of look the same. I don't know, but anyway.
But at half the price.
Yeah.
Or less.
Okay, so the seat is cheap, all right, but you're gonna pay about the same amount that you paid for the seat for this bracket right here.
Literally.
This bracket is like $150 or something like that, but you need it because it has the holes for where your stock seat mounts, but it also carries over the seat belt thing. If you run harnesses, fine, you don't need it, but you still need the bolt holes. And then the link for the bracket will be in the description, and I guess I'll put the link for the seat where I got it. I got it from like redline.com or some
The hell is that?
Website.
We're not sponsored by them.
No. Okay, so the problem that we're having is that the NRG seat has these brackets on them, but they're kind of like cheap. Like they're like so
basic. Yeah,
they're basic as hell. So they only have 3. Here. Fuck. Okay, so look. Look. Golden eye. All right. Okay, so the brackets only have a limited selection of holes on them. They don't have any in the middle, and there's none. They don't go very far. So the bracket doesn't really line up with. It lines up with the front ones because it's obviously going to line up with some of them. But the back ones do not. So, over here, we marked where we think it'll be good. I didn't buy a slider or anything because I want to be kind of down low. So this is all we have. So we're going to drill out holes here and over here. And, I mean, it's going to be a little sketch, but fuck it.
It'll be fine. It's just a seat. No good.
We'll drill the holes. Wow. Great job.
I don't know if that's good built bits, but
I don't think it's a good drill.
Hey, dude, chill. Drill's mint.
Black & Decker Pecker Wrecker.
What?
Jesus, Murphy. She ain't getting through.
It's going.
Oh, God. I don't know how hard I'm pressing. Yeah, dude, something in this setup needs to change.
Wow.
She went through.
You think? That one's got a little bit more nut than the other one, just so you know.
What?
It's got more nut.
I thought I went through the seat. It made like a weird like thing.
Yeah.
Good to go. Fuck.
I'm gonna be walking through here with socks and get metal in my feet.
I'm scared now, dude. It's gonna take my fucking arm off.
Yeah. It will.
Fuck. Dude, it... Probably should have taken them off. I took a massive
Holy shit.
chunk out. Fucking, there goes all the integrity of the seat. I'm gonna die now.
I can't see it.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
Damn. Okay. So we got this hardware here. Got stainless bolts, stainless nuts with the little plastic on them. And yeah. All right, so I can't get the nuts or the bolts that I got. I can't get them into these holes because they need to be threaded in because it's like the perfect fit. So I'm just gonna take these side things off, and it's a fucking 14. And I wanna adjust this anyway, so that it's like the seat is the most like that.
Full tilt.
Full tilt back, yeah.
Yeah.
We don't even know if this seat's gonna be in the right position because it's gonna be in one position, and that's it. I'm not gonna be able to move it at all. So.
Ooh.
Hopefully it's.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think about that.
Perfect.
Oh no.
I know. All right, moment of truth to see if I drilled the holes right. Oh yeah, we're good. Okay.
Nice.
So. Okay.
20 minutes later.
That was the worst. So we got all 4 bolts in. It was a struggle. It wasn't easy. It was stupid. It's not even centered, so I'm gonna be sitting at some kind of an angle.
Ah, you won't notice. You won't notice at all. Don't worry about it.
Now it's time to test fit it.
Test fit it. How to remove a seat in a 1992 E46 325 IS X.
Sport. Okay, so we're moving the seat all the way back. These little plastic covers. And there's a bolt.
That is a bolt. Wow.
That bolt is 16
millimeter bolt.
Alright, now that you have that one bolt removed, you can take the seat out.
Nice.
Oh, fuck. It's not going.
I think we missed one.
So there's 2 bolts in it?
Oh yeah, there's another one right there. Yeah.
Oh. Do you think there's one on all 4 corners?
I don't know, dude. I don't think they would engineer something that's stupid.
No. Probably this is.
Yeah. Yeet. Yo, Christian, I think there's 2 more. There's 2 more.
Do you think those go to the seat?
I don't know. I think it's just for the
Power steering, right?
yeah, the power steering for the seat. Yeah.
Let's remove them anyway.
All right. These seats have power steering, right?
Yeah, I think so. Well,
It's got power steering heater too, right?
it's an 83. I think they introduced the power steering seats in 86, I want to say. So I don't know what these are for.
Oh, shit. Must have been retrofitted in 94.
No, I bought this car from a pawnbroker. He said the guy that owned it before me was an Elvis impersonator.
Really?
So I don't know if he would really want power steering seats.
I see.
Because of the hair, you know?
Right. Yeah, you don't want his your hairspray to catch on fire.
Especially from power steering, that's the worst.
Yeah. Exactly. Why do you have so many screws in your seat?
Look under your seat. Look at the same spot. Look in your seat. This is storage.
What is this, a dumping ground?
No, it's a fucking bolt box.
Hold up, it won't focus. It won't focus. Alright, fuck you. There we go. Wow, look at all that. Got a self-tapper in there, some change, some gas. So you got all 8 bolts out?
Yep.
Sweet.
Once you remove the 16 screws, just gonna... Oh, before you unplug any power or anything, just make sure it's tilted all the way up so you can get it out.
Yeah. Power steering must be off too.
I don't know if it has to be, but recommended.
Alright.
Do we have to take the seatbelt off of it? We could probably do that out.
Is it attached to the seat?
Yeah. That's why that thing has...
Oh, that's stupid, dude.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
You gotta swing the rear end out. Yeah, there you go, there you go, there you go. Oh.
Fuck.
Sick.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta unplug it.
I don't see where. Oh, I've done this once before. Do you see it? I'm just feeling around down there. Wait, I can see.
Oh, I see it. Wow, it's one of these friggin' things. That friggin'.
You gotta like pull it.
Yeah, I can't even rip it because there's nothing to grab onto on the top.
I'm using the fucking. I'm using the camera.
Yeah, I'm actually.
Now I pulled it out.
All right, there you go.
So now which
slide
way?
it back. Yeah, slide
This
towards
way?
the front. Yeah.
Is that it? That helps a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, is this all the way out?
Oh no! Oh, there you go. There you go.
Woohoo! Yeet. Sick. I love not using my big eyes.
Yeah. Oh, careful! You're scratching up your shit, dude.
Okay.
Oh, it's not mint
We're
anymore.
supposed to get this fucking seatbelt off, bud.
All right.
Dude.
The race seat's all bolted in, ready to go.
You can feel it, like the bolstering. It holds you. Holds you in way better.
Nice. Yeah, it looks good, dude. Not bad.
It feels good.
Yeah.
It feels good.
You got plenty of room above you.
Yeah, enough for at least like 2 helmets.
Now you can see over the steering
Just
wheel.
open the sunroof. I can.
Oh no. Nice, sick, dude.
This isn't bad.
When you get one for the passenger seat.
Got
now.
cup holder.
Oh shit, dude!
Cup holder.
You got
now.
cup holders now.
Fuck yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Sick. That's so sick.
$15 seat install. No seat belts, but.
Who needs those?
Took that bolt off. I'm gonna take this bolt off. And hopefully that rail will come off. Oh yeah. Now we can take the seatbelt off.
Would you look at that?
Bet you it's a 17. Yup. Wanna go get it? It's in there. Alright, so Zach took out this thing. You unplug everything but these two, and then you can take this whole thing out, and then apparently you won't have a code for the seatbelt. I already have those codes for some reason, so it doesn't really matter. But if you're trying to be clean about it, I guess you can do that, and then this will plug right in.
Mm-hmm.
Now be gone with this seat.
Gone, thought.
Be gone, thought!
Nice.
Perfect spot.
Perfect.
Alright.
Attach the buckle to this using this.
Now it's. Which way does the buckle go? The
Towards the
buckle
front.
attaches to your right, so.
Yes. I mean, it's
Check
your
myself.
seatbelt is going to save you in a car
I
accident,
know.
even if it is held on by 2 threads.
It's fucking
Nice.
taut, Rick.
Yeah, it's taut. Hell yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna face the moment of truth.
Cherry.
Should I take? No, wait. I wanna peel it off like a fucking
Yeah.
victory.
Victory peel!
That one's on, that one's on. Those two line up.
Ooh.
That bad.
It looks like a pretty good spot to sit, dude, actually.
Hold on, let me put the front ones in so I don't
Yeah.
sail on back. Alright. No adjusting it. Let's see. Oh. Hey, I mean that's pretty fucking mint, dude.
Yeah.
It really is.
Nice.
It's a little far forward, but I guess that's where I was sitting anyway.
Yeah.
My legs are pretty bent, but that's like resting. I mean, it's right there. It's a little close. It's a little close.
That's actually like a good spot for a race car. You want your arms like slightly
I
bent.
mean, I was gonna tilt this too because this was high up.
Oh yeah, you can move your steering wheel. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
How much lower am I than
You look very low.
you? What?
Yeah. You have like
The low boy.
A lot.
I wish we
room.
did like before and after, because now I don't remember.
You look like very short next to me right now.
It's gonna be funny when I have a passenger and I'm driving places. Fucking short boy. Hey, also maybe if we put like washers, we can like leave it like we can tilt it more. We put washers like since I keep pushing back to here, instead of being stuck here, I could like push it back to here. Not bad. Not bad.
You put the what back on?
Little plastic caps though.
Oh my god.
Clean builds.
Clean.
Okay. Oh, we didn't put the seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Alright, now if I put this on and it's not straight all the time, I'm gonna lose it. So I gotta.
I know, I was worried about mine being
it's
uncomfortable.
So that's how I want it. Alright. Okay. Should I put it on the inside or outside?
Yeah, outside.
Skeet belt. Fucking mint. Oh yeah, dude. It's gonna feel so much faster, dude.
Yeah.
You know when you get lower to the ground, it feels like.
And dude, the secureness of it too. Like going around corners, you just don't move. It's so nice.
Sick. Alright. Seat's done. The next thing we're doing to this is a hydraulic handbrake. Which we're actually gonna do right now. But for you it's gonna be like
a week from
fucking week or two, bud. Sorry.
Sorry.
Like and subscribe. Peace. Love you. Instagram. Look on it and got a lot of videos on there. It's cool stuff. Cool stuff that's not here, so. Bye.
Bye.
And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. Microphone attached to my head so I can dance my little.
Bonus cut.
We almost forgot. I don't know why I decided to come in from this way. Shit. Okay. All right. Are you ready?
Ready.
ASMR. Oh yeah. Woo! Damn.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
The internet.
We make it look easy.